Begin in staff pose, Dandasana. Lean on your right hip and swing your legs to the left, bending your knees and placing both feet to the outside of your left hip so that your left ankle rests in the arch of your right foot. This is the beginner pose and you may practice as long as necessary. Place your left hand under your right knee with your fingers pointing back towards your knee and take your right hand to the floor behind your right hip. Inhale and lengthen your spine and exhale as you twist your torso to the right, keeping your left sitting bone heavy and in contact with the floor. Take your gaze to the right. Repeat your motivational words to aid drishti, your focus and intention. To exit the pose, exhale and slowly unwind, and you would then repeat on the other side. Then take your time, but build up to eventually being able to twist to the left with the left foot above the right thigh. So you will have your right foot back and your left foot comes high onto your thigh. You will have your right hand behind you, your left hand on your knee, and then you will move to the full version, which is to bring the right hand all the way round and take hold of your foot.